Hey homeowners, are you taking advantage of the tax exemptions on your primary residence? Well, I am Diane Jimenez and that is this week's topic. Stay tuned, let me show you some ways to save. So today's topic, we are talking about tax exemptions on real estate properties, primarily talking to homeowners that live in their house. The benefits of a tax exemption is that it reduces the assessed value of a property, therefore reducing the taxes you have to pay on it. Here's a real life example. Let's say that the county thinks your property is assessed at a $300,000 value, but you applied for homestead. Now you can take advantage of up to a $50,000 reduction. So instead of being taxed on $300,000, you could be taxed on $250,000. Another benefit is that it can shield your home from certain debt collectors. And the third benefit is that the Save Our Home caps the assessed value of your home from increasing by more than 3% a year. What that pretty much means is that even if property values increase 10% in a year, because you have homestead, you are protected and it can only go up by 3%, as I just mentioned. Okay, so the next step obviously is taking advantage of these tax benefits if you haven't done so. If you haven't done so in the past, don't worry, you can still take advantage of it for the next tax year. And if you're a brand new homeowner, then apply. And here's how you do it, guys. You go to your county's city appraiser's office, either in person or online on their website. You have to show them that you're on title of that property that you're trying to get homestead on. You have to show that you literally live there. So like a water bill or something that shows that you are a permanent resident of that property. You also have to be a US citizen and a resident of the state of Florida. If you meet those 4 criteria, apply and take advantage of it. The deadline is March 1st, but you can apply anytime before that. And now I have a special tip, guys, for those of you that have owned a home in the past 2 years where you had homestead in and are now in the process, or maybe just recently purchased a new home. There's something called Save Our Homes. It started back in 2008, and what it pretty much means is that when you buy a new residence, you don't have to start from day one with your tax benefits. You can actually port over, it's called portability savings, so you can port over some of the tax savings from your last homestead residence into your new residence. I'm sure the tax appraiser can explain it better than I can, so make sure to ask them about portability savings and how you can take advantage of those as well. So what do you guys think? Was this information beneficial for you? Please make sure to let me know in the comments. Also, if there's any more real estate topics you guys want to learn more about, make sure to send me a DM or again, leave it in the comments. I want to hear from you guys. I want to provide helpful information that really helps you guys purchase a home the best way possible. So thank you guys for listening and staying with me. Next week, we'll have a great new topic. And in the meantime, make sure to follow us on social media, check out our YouTube channel, and just see what we're up to. This is Diane Jimenez from Groza Real Estate, and it was great talking to you.